Quick reading for April the 23rd to the 24th, Pisces. Your cards are the Tower, the Three of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. Dito natin mapapansin na kahit gaano kagulo, kahit gaano naging messy ang communication, itong relationship, it felt like meron nga dito nagbago, bigla-biglaan, no? From becoming giving, from becoming loving, parang nag-retaliate, nagrebelde. Pero ganun pa man, I think meron ditong isa, no? I feel that like, ito yung person mo na pilit makikipag-usap, pilit aayusin, kahit merong sigawan, at least may communication. Parang meron din ditong kumalma ka, ito yung pwede nating gawin, solutions are going to be given. I feel like hindi ka tatantanan ni person o hindi siya aalis sa tabi mo nang hindi maayos ang problema. Meron ditong mga pag-uusap na pwede nating sabihin, ito yung mga promises ko para hindi na uli mangyari itong situation na ito. So this is your quick reading for April the 23rd to the 24th, Pisces.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.